Guys, a woman can love you but still run after or marry a man that is better than you. So knowing the weakness of women is much more helpful when understanding how to make an attractive woman happier with you. If you want to make yourself a girl's weakness, then the things I will talk about in this video will help you know how you can do so. Let's get into the video. Number 3. Being assertive and always look your best. Guys, girls don't like guys who are doormats. Women want you to take charge sometimes, both inside and outside of the relationship. When I say you should be assertive, I am not saying you should be aggressive. Assertive just means taking the lead and being a good leader, because that's something all girls respect. Women are naturally attracted to leaders. That's why making a woman feel that you can lead will make you much more attractive, and definitely make her weak. And this starts right from the beginning of the interaction. When you interact with a girl you like, you must lead the interaction, because if you don't, the girl is going to lead it instead of you, and you'll look like an unconfident guy who just follows, which is definitely not attractive. If the girl feels the need to lead because you can't, you're finished. It's your job to lead as a man. And that's what women expect from you, even the strong and independent women. Guys, women love it when a guy looks great. They don't want to be with a slob. You need to trim your beard, shower every day, and wear clean clothes. And don't forget the cologne too. Smelling good will make her weak in her knees and make her want you even more. Number 2. Be a man of knowledge and celebrate her victories, no matter how small. Another step to becoming a girl's weakness is to be proud of her achievements. You should always tell her that she is doing a great job and why she should continue doing so. If she has done something great, and you praise her, then there will be no reason for her to feel insecure or inferior. The next step is to make sure that she knows what she has done right. It really doesn't matter if she just got a new job or if she successfully got the stain out of the carpet. Celebrate those victories. Having you in her corner will show her just how lucky she would be to have you. So make a big deal of those victories. Show her that you'll be there to celebrate everything she does. Guys, knowing some stuff, being educated, and having knowledge to share allows you to carry on interesting conversations with a woman and make her weak. You can captivate women and make them vibrate more easily when you have something reasonable to say. By doing this, women will see you as an intellectually stimulating guy who has the potential to bring them value by sharing interesting information and stories. Number 1. Be reliable and be kind to others, not just her. Guys, girls have a natural tendency to be drawn toward men who are nice and friendly, so if you can show that quality in yourself, then it'll be easier for her to see your strengths as well. Being kind and patient is one of the best ways to attract women. It's also a great way to show that you're not a jerk, which makes women more attracted to you. This isn't sole generosity with your money or with gifts, either. This is more about being generous as a whole. You should willingly give up your time, attention, and affection to those you're close to. This generosity is something many women seek and even need in a healthy relationship. Because if she sees you being rude and obnoxious toward others, it'll put a bad taste in her mouth about you. So be kind to everyone, no just her. Being kind is the right thing to do, and she'll love that maturity. Guys, no woman likes a flaky person. So, you need to be a man of your word. If you say you're going to do something, do it. As the saying goes, talk is cheap. Let your actions speak louder than your words. Let her know that you are reliable, can be counted on, and you have her back at all times. Do this and you will become her weakness. Let me know what you think in the comment section, like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.